Yes po.
In-interview kami magkahiwalay.
Ako, panoorin natin ito. Yung mga masasarap na moments.
First kiss, yung kiss namin sa Dear Heart, yun ang first kiss namin talaga.
Oh my God.
Wala ka masabi.
Wala tayong kiss sa Dear Heart.
It was...
It was backstage.
After.
Sa kitchen ni Bai.
Sa totoo lang, I don't remember kung ano yung gift specifically na binigay ko sa kanya. Pero during those days, marami akong binibigay ng mga gifts sa kanya. And sometimes, and most of the time, mga maliliit na gifts yun. May kasamang notes yun. So may notes siya, feel, na ba, and so on and so forth. Tapos meron kasamang maliit na regalo yun. Sabi nga nila, di ba, big surprises comes in small gifts. Yeah.
Oh, really little gifts. You know, we were kids, of flowers or something. But he did give me a ring before he proposed pa. When we were just boyfriend, girlfriend, before I said yes to the marriage proposal, he gave me a ring that I wore all the time. I had a 2-night concert in Araneta Coliseum called Sharon Solo with the Boys in July of 1984. And it was at the last rehearsal, the night before the first show, where he came to Araneta and I was already going backstage. Tapos may hagdanan pababa sa floor na. So from the stage, I went like this. Then I saw him coming. So nasa taas pa ako, hindi pa ako nakakababa ng hagdanan. And that's when he just said, let's get married. I want to marry you.
Okay, so when I was in the backstage, when I proposed, that was not planned. Those things just happened at the spur of the moment. So it was fun, and at that moment you really felt that this is it. First time na nalaman ko she was pregnant, we were excited, syempre. We knew we were gonna have a baby. That was the moment na, you know, everything's gonna change. So iba pala yung feeling na yun when you know na you're going to have a baby and you're gonna be a daddy soon.
When I found out I was pregnant, I was in the States. We were already married. And it was so... alam mo yung mixed yung emotions ko because I was scared that my dad would get a heart attack if he found out. Not only that I was pregnant, but that I had married behind their back. So I was happy though. I was happy because I felt, oh my God, we're gonna have a baby together. You know, I mean, my God, this man I love, you know, my husband and I are gonna have a baby. She was brought to me the next day, and she was so big and beautiful. And the first time my mom saw her, because my mom was there when I delivered, my mom right away said, "Look like Daddy." Actually, she looked a lot like my mom and Gabby's dad. So we knew right away, oh my God, she's a Concepcion. Okay, so she was the most perfect child. She was the most perfect baby.
When I first saw her, nandun ako sa loob, ang sarap ng feeling. Because here's somebody coming out, you know, na nanggaling sa inyong dalawa. And it was such a beautiful feeling, it's unexplainable.
Fairy tales are make-believe. And the reality of the ending of the relationship for our prince and princess was not a happy one. But with the passing of time and the shared love of their one and only daughter, after 43 years, here they are, together again for you. Thanks to healing, forgiveness, new beginnings, new families, and their forever fans.
Ang hirap din nung napapanood natin yung life story natin. Ano? Kasama silang lahat na parang kunyari walang tao. Ang dami na natin pinagdaanan, no?
Oo nga, basta yung mga kumuha ng picture, kopya ko ha. Diba? May secret tayo ha.
Itatag niyo po siya. Yun po lagi niyang request.
At niyo, alam niyo, parating ko rin yung request yun. Concepcion Gabi. Huwag yung Gabi Concepcion, may kumuha nun eh. Concepcion Gabi.
Concepcion.gabi ba?
Hindi, at Concepcion Gabi. Sino sa inyo may Instagram? Wala?
Facebook.
Facebook! Ayan, Instagram. O, yan lang.
We use Instagram mo.
Dami-dami kong rini-request. Wala naman ako nakukuha.
Makakala na nag-joke ka.
Hindi, na-hurt ako.
Para nyo nang awa, itag niyo po siya. Tapos itag mo ko. Okay.
Oo naman. Okay.
Anyway, here's another song I have for you. Because our story is so makulay.
Alam mo, talagang manunood na ako talaga sa'yo. Ano?
Hindi ka pa nagsasawa.
Sino sa inyo?
Na to.
Sino sa inyo?